Hello students, today we will write small letter E. This is a capital E, this is a small e. E says a for apple. Now we start how to write. First we will draw curve. Okay. Then we will draw standing line. First we will draw curve. Then we will draw standing line. This is a A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. First we will draw curve. Then we will draw standing line. Okay beta. Hello students. Look beta. This is a capital B. This is a small b. B says B. B ball. Today we will write small letter B. Look beta. First we will draw standing line. Okay. Go up to the middle of the standing line and write a left curve. This is a B. Again, first we will draw standing line. Go up to the middle of the standing line and write a left curve. This is a B. Okay. Hello students. This is a capital C. This is a small c. C says k. K cat. Okay. Now we write small letter C. We have to write right curve. Right curve. This is a C. Again, we have to write right curve. This is a C. Only students, today we will write new letter, small letter D. This is a capital D. This is a small d. D says D for duck. Now we write. Look beta. First we will draw standing line. Okay. Go up to the middle of the standing line. Write right curve. This is a D. D says D for duck. Okay, again. First we will write standing line. Go up to the middle of the standing line. Write right curve. This is a D. Okay. Good morning students. Today we will write letter E. This is a capital E. This is a small e. E says eh for egg. Okay. Now we write. Look beta. First we will write sleeping line. Small sleeping line. Go to up. Write a right curve. This is a E. Again, sleeping line. Go to up. Write a right curve. This is a E. E says F for egg. Good morning students. Today we will write small letter F. This is a capital F. This is a small f. F says fur. Fur, fish. Now we write small letter F. First we will write small up curve. Okay. Then we will write standing line and Again, we will write small sleeping line. This is a F. Again, small up curve and write standing line and draw sleeping line. This is a F. F is for fish, for fan. Morning students, today we will write small letter G or H. First we will write small letter G. Look beta, first we will write circle. Okay. Circle. To that circle, write a standing line. Okay. And write up curve. Small up curve. This is a letter G. Again, first we will write a circle. To that circle, write standing line and write small up curve. This is a G. Okay, now we write letter H. Look beta, write a standing line. Okay. Go up to the middle of the standing line. Write down curve. Okay. Again, write standing line. Go up to the middle. Write down curve. This is a H. Good morning students. Today we will write small letter I and J. Now we write small letter I. Look. First put a small standing line. Okay. And put a dot. This is a I. Again, first put a standing line and put a dot. This is a I. I for igloo. Now we write letter J. First we will write standing line and write small up curve like this and put a dot. This is a small letter J. Again, first write standing line. Okay. To that standing line, write small up curve like this and put a dot. This is a small letter J. J for jug. Morning students, today we will write small letter K and L. K says K for kite. L says L for leaf. Look beta how to write. First we will write standing line. From the first blue line, draw left standing line and draw right standing line like this. Look again. Standing line, slanting line, another slanting line. This is a K. K says K. Okay. Now we write small letter L. It is very easy. Just you have to write standing line L. L. Just you have to write standing line L. Okay. Good morning students. Today we will write small letter M. M says M. M for mango. Now we write small letter M. Look carefully. First, we will draw standing line. Okay? Go up to the standing line, draw down curve, and again draw down curve. This is a small letter M. M says M. M for mango. Again we will write. Look beta. First we will draw standing line. Go up to the standing line. Draw down curve. Again we will draw down curve. M. M for mango. M. Mug. Okay. Good morning students. Today we will write small letter N. N says N. N for net. Now we write small letter N. Look beta. First we will write standing line. Go up to the standing line. Write down curve. N. Again, first we will write standing line. Go up to the standing line. Draw down curve. Okay. This is a N. N is N. N for net. N nose. Today we will write small letter O and P. O says O. O for orange. P says P. P for pear. Now we write small letter O. Write a circle. Write a circle. O. Again, write a circle. O. Now we write small letter P. First, we will write standing line. Okay. And write up left curve. P. Again beta. First, we will write standing line and go up to the standing line. Write up left curve. This is a small letter P. Do your work neat and clean. Have a nice day.